Hi everyone, my name is Sara Brueske and we are talking today about arousal mobility and arousal in general. So teaching our dogs to go from high arousal to low arousal and then being able to use that to work through different training scenarios, different training problems, as well as helping dogs that are reactive or just really, really excited. So we're utilizing reinforcement-based hierarchies. It's a great way to help your dog practice arousal mobility without risking behaviors you care about. So often people are like, well, yes, but I just want to do a downstay. Well, if you care about your downstay, you're not going to want to teach your dog how to manage their arousal using that behavior because they might get it wrong. You see his tail's still high. He's pretty tense. So we do a couple treat tosses. It's getting lower, getting more relaxed. He loves his treat tosses. And now we're getting calmer even. Yes, food from hand. I thought he needed a little extra help, so I added that step in. And then we're going to do a scatter. You see his tail's already starting to get lower. Now his general overall attitude is much calmer. One more scatter, and then we'll move on from there back into our next rep. Much better, buddy. So this is a more thoughtful dog. We need to meet them where they're at in terms of their arousal and then help them come down before asking for that control, before asking for the sit, the down, the eye contact, the focus. And so using your dog's arousal hierarchy and building in these games, if you're working with client dogs or other people's dogs that are reactive, is a really good way to help them learn to release that energy in a productive way, which is avoiding the barking, the lunging, and the general activity, as well as setting them up for success to be able to do those control behaviors like the sit, the down, the focus.